All right, guys. Day number 3. It's another hike. Starting to notice a growing trend here. It's supposed to be a lighter hike to a hill called Mill Hill. It's supposed to have good views. On my walk right now to avoid the park closes at sunset, so I want to get up and down real quick so I can beat sunset. All right, hope you're enjoying the series. Take care. See you around. All right, guys, Midlife Rising. This is Greg again from Midlife Rising. I just wanted to let you guys know we're on top of Mill Hill, just right outside Victoria, looking right down at also officially Langford. Beautiful summit. I know it's the 3rd summit I've reached in 3 days. It's technically a hill, but it's beautiful nonetheless. Great views of the Olympic Mountains. I'm starting to get a theme here. You really don't have to go far to drive to get some and feel like you're out of the middle of nowhere, or get some good downtown Victoria views. Yeah, this is stunning and spectacular. Again, if you like the video, just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to unfortunately take a trip down this mountain. It's beautiful nonetheless. I'll take one last shot of Langford and then head on down, but we gotta take some other views, and then I'll see you in the bottom. Hopefully get out. All right, take Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. I really hope you enjoy the fact that, I mean, I'm 300 pounds, maybe less. I haven't weighed myself in about 285 pounds. Okay, I haven't weighed myself in a while though, so maybe I'm even less than that. Let's pray I am. But I'm a heavier guy. I'm out of shape. And that took me literally about 30 minutes up, 30 minutes down. It's called Mill Hill, just outside of Victoria. you know, is a reoccurring theme in Victoria. I mean, many people probably will never get the chance to live here, but if you do in your life get a chance to visit here, yeah, you'll have a very fulfilling vacation, unless you're just a miserable person. There's so much to see and do in this place. It's loaded. It's like Seattle a lot of ways, only the mountains are closer and the views can be more striking. They're not, some of them are not as big. That's is what it is. If hardcore mountaineer, you know, you're gonna have to pay the ferry to go across the water into the Olympics. That's a pain in the butt. But if you're anybody else, like a surfer, if you like to do light hikes, if you like to do hikes with good views, if you want to be close to the city, you know, I know gas is high here, but I'll tell you, you don't have to pay much gas to get something stunning. It's where your priorities are. But this place is really, really speaking to me. I love it here. I hope it's vision a lot more around here. So we're gonna have a fun time, I can tell. Next bunch of vlogs we're gonna enjoy.